Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're in Faversham taking a look at number 4 Selling Road. Now, although this property may look very traditional from the outside, it's hiding a beautiful modern aesthetic inside, with a little bit of character as we go. So we're starting the tour by coming straight through into the main entranceway space and into the main reception areas here, and you can already see here that character that's in abundance, but of course that beautiful open plan and modern feeling to the rear. It's extraordinarily light and bright and airy, and the property does enjoy some absolutely gorgeous views across the surrounding countryside. So coming through into the lounge here, just off of the dining room, you can see there you've got that beautiful inglenook fireplace, and then we've got a really interesting bit of space down here on the lower ground level to give you a wonderful, cool and airy space here in the form of a study or perhaps a separate gym area, whatever you'd like to use it for, but it's nice that this space is separated from the main reception area. So heading back upstairs to the main ground floor of the property, we're going to continue our tour of that level and go through the dining space and into the kitchen, but coming back up into the lounge area here, really light and bright and airy space, but again lots and lots of character on offer with that exposed wood throughout. Coming through into the kitchen now, here you can see a beautiful modern finish, full range of fitted appliances here in this kitchen, and really good strategic placement there of the Velux windows on the side, just to let all of that light flood through throughout the day. Now you do have the access out into the rear garden that we'll go through and take a look at a little bit later on in the tour, so you can get the sort of full aspect of those gorgeous views there, but we do have that really interesting little utility space and cloakroom as well. So we're going to go back through the main property again and upstairs, where we're going to start taking a look at a couple of the bedrooms and of course the main family bathroom. So here we are up on the first floor of number 4 Selling Road, and we're going to go through and take a look at the first of the 3 bedrooms. Now this double bedroom here does come with a range of fitted wardrobes already there either side of the chimney breast, and of course that lovely window just letting all of that natural light flood through. We're going to go through and take a look at, again, another bedroom next up, just across from the hallway here. Really light and bright and airy room. Wonderful size here as a single room or perhaps as a study space, and you do get a little glimpse there of those views out from the window. So a wonderful size room there with lots of potential. Coming through into the main family bath and shower room here, you can see that modern finish has continued up from the ground floor. Beautiful finish here with the self-contained shower unit, and of course that beautiful bath and the loo and the sink unit with the storage options underneath. So we've now made our way inside the last of the 3 bedrooms up here, and this time we've got a beautiful dual aspect room with some absolutely gorgeous views across the surrounding countryside. You get a little glimpse there into the rear garden that enjoys those views as well, and the garden here has been beautifully finished and really does give you an amazing space to entertain friends and family in, and whilst you take in those amazing views. The other bonus with this bedroom is as well that you've got the walk-in wardrobe, so a really wonderful finish to this last bedroom upstairs. Now let's go back downstairs and through and into the garden and take a look at what we've got there. So here we are in the rear garden, and this gives us a good chance not only to take this space in, but also to recap a few points on the property as we start to wrap up today's tour. But for now, you can see here you've got the side access, and of course with the property you do enjoy plenty of off-road parking. Just taking a quick look here inside the workshop, of course complete with power and lighting, the perfect space to enjoy as you work away. And of course the rear garden itself does come with those individual entertainment spaces, as we would call them. Really nice spaces to enjoy entertaining friends and family from, of course with the hot tub gazebo there as well, small raised decking platform there too, and of course you've got what every garden needs, a bar with some of the most amazing views across the countryside. So I really do hope you've enjoyed taking a look at this property with us today as we step up under this beautiful decking space here. This is of course number 4 Selling Road, an extended 3-bedroom semi-detached family home, giving that beautiful finish throughout.